Hey guys, welcome to SPB Creative. This is Ashwati. Today's video is all about DIY heatless curls using Flexi roll. In my last haul video, I have showed you guys the Flexi rolls I bought from Amazon. I got 10 Flexi rolls for 170 bucks. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave the link down in the description box. So let's get started. It is really very much important to dampen your hair. It may not be dripping wet, but it's really important to dampen your hair with water so that the curl lasts for a longer time. I have taken the shower, but still my hair got almost dried, 50% dried. So that's the reason I'm again dampening my hair and taking a little bit of hair serum in my palm and evenly spreading it all over my hair. Else it would be like very much frizzy. So after that, I'm parting my hair into half and gonna detangle my hair really well using a wide tooth comb because for using flexi rolls, it's again really important that you do not have any tangles in your hair. And now I'm taking sections. I'm taking two parts of my hair because I've got 10 flexi rolls. I'm going to use 5 each on each section, and each section I'm going to again part into 5 sections. So this is the first section I have taken. I have already sprayed water to it. Now I'm keeping the flexi roll to the root of the hair and wrapping the rest of the hair to the flexi roll, starting from the corner of the road actually, leaving little bit of space so that I can bend it and secure the hair into it. So this is how I do it. Some people start from the end of the hair and wrap it upwards till the root and just bend it. So it's up to you guys how you are comfortable with it. You can, however it is, you can do it. I'm comfortable in this way, starting from the root. So again I'm taking another section of hair and spraying a little bit of water and again repeating the same process. That is, I'm keeping the flexi roll to the root of the hair, leaving little bit of space and starting from the corner of this flexi roll, wrapping the entire hair to the road and bending two corners of the flexi rolls and just securing it really tight so that this hair which is inside the flexi roll doesn't comes off easily, because I'm planning to sleep with it. Some people might find it difficult sleeping with this, so maybe you guys can leave it for 5 to 6 hours or at least 3 to 4 hours. Then still you will get good curls, but I prefer it to keep like good 10 hours, like overnight, so that I can have very nice curl. So as you can see, I am repeating the same process to the whole hair. I am taking the rods and wrapping the hair and securing it. So I am just fast forwarding it so that you guys don't get bored seeing it. So it is little bit of time consuming, guys, because you need to take section, detangle it, spray water and then wrap it to the flexi roll. So it is little bit of time consuming, but it's worth because you get amazing curl without using any heating tools. And trust me, this is gonna last you for the whole day. I have styled my hair with the real heating tool. So I maybe this is not that much pretty as it is, but still the lasting thing is like more to this flexi rolls rather than the heating tools. I feel so. So please do try it out, guys. It's really good actually. So once I've completed wrapping my hair to the flexi roll, I'm putting one elastic band and securing all the flexi rolls which is behind my head, which is like which I feel is not that secure enough. I'm just tucking those flexi rolls into the band so that it is just secure enough. You can even use scarf and just wrap your head completely in the scarf and sleep. So again it's up to you guys, and again I'm spraying a little bit of water to the flexi rolls and I'm gonna sleep. So this is how I look next day morning, and you guys can see that my hair has not come out from the flexi roll, which is like really good. So it was like tight enough and secure enough that it didn't come out. So I'm just removing the elastic band and just taking off the hair from the flexi roll. You guys can see how I'm taking it. It's not that difficult. You just open the end ends of the flexi rod and take out the hair from the flexi rod very gently. You can see that I'm just pulling the flexi rod out. You can see the curls. It's pretty good, nice curls. It will last for the whole day too. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. You guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just removing all the hair from the flexi rod. Wow, I just really like the curls. I'm just separating the curls with my fingers only, so that it's a little more natural. And again I'm taking like a little bit of hair serum to my palm and spreading evenly to the hair, because my hair is like frizzy. The only negative thing I feel is that while using it, if your hair is already very frizzy, it might be like feel like little more frizzier, but you can always use hair serum and just tame it down. I'm also using hairspray, which is like completely optional. If you guys want to skip it, you can skip it. I just want it to last for a longer time. That's the reason I'm using hairspray. So I'm just spraying a little bit of hairspray to the ends of the hair and combing my hair, not throughout my hair, just a little bit. So this is how my hair looks, guys. You can see the curls, it's really pretty. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If so, please do subscribe to my channel and do give this video a big thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section of any suggestion you have, any video suggestions you have, or anything which is related to this video. So see you in very next video. Till then, it's bye.